I'm going to take the carb back off again. I think I'll put the original needle in the float ball thing. See if that's got anything to do with it. I don't know, I'm stumped. Just seems to be getting forced out through the gasket, the fuel. Right, so that's the original gasket, that's the new one I put on. They're identical. So I can't imagine it being the gasket being a fault. It's got a bit of a ridge on it. This one hasn't got one yet. But I'm going to change whatever this is called and put the original one back on. I'm going to put all the original stuff back on. What size is that? Let's get a socket on there. Okay, so I'll change this one. Because I bought a new kit Christmas time, didn't I? Replaced everything. Thinking it was the carburetor that was at fault. Carb seems fine, apart from it's leaking. So I'll put all the original stuff back on. I mean, I'm going to leave the jets in here for now. And if it still doesn't work, then I will put everything back on. So it's just tedious to get out this thing. Right, so there's that one. There's the original one. The original one. I mean, it might be sitting at different heights actually. I don't know. So it could have something to do with that. Right, let's put that one away. It still looks good, it's still pointy. Oh, wash it. Oh, that way. Let's take that back out. Put that in there for safekeeping. Put this back in. Nip this bad boy back up. So there is a difference in length in these. Well, why is it you buy a carb rebuild kit for this engine and the bits are different size? Right. He's still on there, that's why. Right, so let's get this off. Just slip something to the top. Like that. Is that it? It's too bloody dark, I can't see what I'm doing. That's it. Where are you? Back on there. Right, put him back on there. Put him back in there. That was that way, wasn't it? Oh, I forgot about the bloody gasket. Right. Okay, I'll put the gasket back on and put that back together. The return pipe isn't bringing as much fuel as it was before. Lowered the idle a little bit. I don't know what that knocking noise is, but it only happened since I put the metal shrouds back on. Okay, first drive. Let's see if we can get it into gear. Cool. So, first thoughts. My knee was hitting the gear stick all the time. Getting it into reverse was okay. Putting it into first was a bit of a struggle. And I don't think that steering wheel moves up or down. And the seats might go back. I don't know if they slide or not on this thing. I think they're probably fixed. So I don't know, maybe it'll have to be a really short gear stick. But it was quite interesting to drive. Didn't want to stop, but we'll come to that.